Some cancers of abdomen are very, very difficult to treat with conventional surgeries and chemotherapy. There's a new technique which is called HIPEC, which is giving new hope to these patients. I'm Dr. Asit Arora, I'm a GI oncosurgeon और आज हम बात करेंगे ऐसी एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में which is pushing the boundaries of cancer care. It is called HIPEC. So what is HIPEC? HIPEC is hyperthermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy. So what is basically done in this treatment is that हम पहले सर्जरी करते हैं, सर्जरी करके जो भी विजिबल ट्यूमर होता है पेट से, जो आपकी नेकेड आई से दिखता है, उसको रिमूव करते हैं और फिर पेट के अंदर हम एक कीमोथेरेपी का सॉल्यूशन इंस्टिल करते हैं और उसको पेट के अंदर सर्कुलेट करते हैं फॉर अबाउट 90 मिनट्स. नाउ व्हाट इट डज इज दैट दिस increases the efficacy of chemotherapy because one, it is acting directly where the tumor is rather than giving it to in the veins where it goes through your blood and then comes here, which is an indirect route. You give chemotherapy directly inside the abdomen where cancer is actually located. Secondly, जब आप इसको हाइपरथर्मिक सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं, जब उसका टेम्परेचर आप बढ़ा देते हैं अप टू 43 डिग्रीज, तो वो कीमोथेरेपी बहुत इफेक्टिव हो जाती है बिकॉज नाउ यू आर एक्टिंग इन टू वेज. वन इज कीमोथेरेपी एंड देन देयर इज अ physical part of it, that is temperature, which is aiding chemotherapy to kill cancers. Now, this therapy is not for everybody. It's not for every patient. It is used in highly selected group of patients जिसके कि कैंसर के सेल्स सरफेस से स्प्रेड करके पेट के अंदर लाइनिंग में चले गए हैं. सो वी यूज दिस टेक्निक इन selected cases of ovarian cancers, colon cancers, appendicular cancers. There is a disease called as pseudomyxoma peritoneae and mesotheliomas. ये इसकी broad indications हैं. This is a very, very specialized therapy. It is to be done only in highly specialized centers under the care of specialized doctors. It requires critical care after the procedure. But when used judiciously, it can help us extend life of these advanced stage 4 cancer in a very meaningful way. So this is a new lease of life for these patients where HIPEC can come into picture. So if you know anybody who is in need of this therapy, feel free to contact us. Thank you so much.